Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pairing so the clicker talks to your laptop. Turn the clicker on, enable pairing and make sure the LED blinks, then open your computer's Bluetooth or insert the USB receiver. Once the device appears, pair it and check the operating system confirmation. Test the main buttons right away, next slide, previous slide, and the pointer, because early verification prevents mid-presentation surprises. If pairing fails, retry after turning both devices off and on, then continue when stable. Once paired, configure PowerPoint so the clicker controls match your flow. Open Slide, show settings and choose presentation mode, check rehearse timings if you use them, and enable the laser pointer or virtual pen. If buttons don't behave as expected, map them in accessibility or input preferences on your OS. That aligns the clicker's next/previous with PowerPoint commands. Make sure transitions and animations are tested by stepping through slides. Doing this prevents timing or animation. You finish by running a complete practice to simulate the live environment. Walk the room, aim the pointer, and use every button for 5 to 10 minutes so you feel the rhythm. Prepare backups, spare batteries, the USB receiver in your pocket, and a wired mouse or keyboard, because hardware fails at inconvenient times. If the clicker malfunctions, immediately repair it, swap batteries, or switch to presenter view with keyboard controls. One quick fallback keeps your presentation smooth and under control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.